Wow, amazing bitter melon fruit. In this video, I will show how to grow bitter melon from seed till harvest. At this time, I am harvesting fruit more than 20. It's great result one. I start to prepare the foam box tray pot to germinate the bitter melon seed. I start to add the soil mix. This soil is made with rice charcoal. I add the soil mix into the 8-pocket tray, watering well. I start to open the seed bag. This seed is best quality seed, the product of Vietnam. I add the water and I am soaking in 2 hours. 2 hours later, the seed become brown, and now I start to germinate into the soil. Insert the seed into the soil and cover the soil. Continue to drop the seed in the foam box tray pot. Cover the soil slightly on the seed to avoid the seed float. Watering again. 10 days later, the bitter melon seed grow up with green leaf. Now it's time for me to transplant on the iron rice bed. I dig the bitter melon plant and start to grow one by one until finish. Continue to grow bitter melon plant in the rice bed. I grow 6 plants. After growing, I am watering them well. Watering is very important for the plant. I use this plastic bottle to create to be a fertilizer pot that I will dig the soil near the bitter melon plant. This pot I will add the kitchen waste. It's the best fertilizer for the bitter melon plant. I add the kitchen waste into the bottle and then I cover the soil around the pot well, watering again. continue to add another pot because in this rice bed I install 2 pots. All in the pot is the kitchen waste. 20 days old of my bitter melon plant. I install the trellis, and this trellis I use the string to tie up from the iron rice bed up to the string on the top and continue to tie to another side from top to down. Seven days later, male flower bloom. I will touch on the female flower. This is the hand pollination. After pollination, I use the plastic bag to cover on the fruit to prevention from the bed bug. All the fruit was covered by plastic bag. Before harvesting, I will remove the plastic bag out to show all of you. Wow, it's very beautiful bitter melon fruit. It's great result one. I am so happy to harvest the bitter melon fruit. At this time, I can harvest 20 fruit. It's big amount of the fruit. I will share to my brother sister to cook. I like minced pork with bitter melon recipe. Thank you for watching my gardening video. If you think this video useful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on bell notification for more video upload. Bye. See you next video.